Let's look at this Leetcode product sales analysis 1. For something like this, we have two tables. We have a table sales and a table product. So if we look at table sales, we have the column name. So we have sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. All are type integers. So when we make a table for this, when we lay this out, these are going to go from left to right in a single row. That's going to be the first row, like this example right here, sale ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. And then everything underneath that is going to be the data inside of our table. So that is our sales table. Our sales table is going to have a sale ID and a year. This combined is the primary key, a combination of columns with unique values of our table. The product ID is a foreign key. The product ID means it's a reference column to our product table. So they're kind of already joined in some way. They're referencing towards each other. Each row of the table shows a sale on the product ID in a certain year. Note the price is per unit as well. So this is our sales table, remember that. And product ID is a foreign key to a table like this. We have table product, and then this table product is going to have product ID and product name. So we have a relation already because we have that foreign key. So if we look at what it wants us to do, we need to write a solution to report the product name, the year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. So let's copy the product name, year, and price. This is what we are going to want to select and print out. So we're going to have select product name, year, and then we also have our price. This is everything that we want to select. This is going to come from our sales table. We already know that. So everything is coming from sales. Now, what's next? We could have a where, or more appropriately, well, we're not going to do where actually. That's not something we're doing. We're going to have a join. That is the perfect thing to do in a scenario like this. We have a join because we have a foreign key and we just want to join this table with this one right here. And that'll allow us to print all of this right here. Now, since I'm working with multiple tables, I always like to rename things. So we're going to have sales S. That means we're going to have to change this to s.year and then our s.price. We're going to want to join the product table, do product P, and we're going to join this on, pause right there, and fix this to be p.product name because that's where this is coming from. You don't want to forget about that later. So going back to our line 4, join product P on, we're going to join this with our sales table. So s dot, what is our foreign key? Remember, it is the product ID. So we're going to join the two on product ID. So product P is joining on s dot product ID, and then this has to be equal to our p.product ID. That's how we join them. Summing all of this up, we have a select statement, and we're going to select product name, the year, and the price from our sales table S. Now our sales table is going to join with the product table. It's going to be called P, and we're going to join this on the foreign key of our product ID. And product ID from our sales has to equal to the product ID of our product. That's how we get all of this to work together. Let's go ahead and submit this. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll help you out. And if you want more SQL, check out the playlist link below the like button, but that is how we would do the SQL problem, and that is it for this code.